Hello everybody, we're looking at the 1mm red line cutting disc from Worth, South Africa. Now the blue line in the middle tells me it's for mild steel. If it was green it would have been for stainless steel, and if it was yellow it was for aluminium. Now this is a resin bonded disc with aluminium oxide and fiberglass reinforcement. What people don't know is that any resin bonded disc do have a expiry date stamped on this middle section. A resin bonded disc will absorb moisture over time. It can become brittle or it can shatter. Always remember to store your disc on a flat, dry surface and don't hang them up, because a slight indentation in the middle section will cause your disc to vibrate and might shatter. Remember, safety first, leather gloves with standard safety glasses and a leather apron. For the demonstration I'm going to utilize the Worth M-Cube 18V cordless and the 1mm red line cutting disc. And as you can see, nice and smooth cut with not a big burr, so your cleaning up time